Hi everyone, welcome back to the Book Vandal Shop and welcome back to another Feature Friday. I can't believe it's been a month already. So I have some happy news to share. Michelle from Country Morning Creations was the featured channel last month, and we set a goal for Michelle to reach 2,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited to announce that in the month since then, she now has 2,560 subscribers. So Michelle gained 850 subscribers in 1 month. 1 month, so that is amazing. And because because her channel reached the goal that we set, I promised that I would give away this ephemera box, file box, or whatever Michelle called it, I don't remember. But I promised that I would give that away, and so the lucky winner is Cynthia Hopwood. So Cynthia, if you will reach out to me through private message on Instagram or Facebook, and get me your mailing address, I will ship that out to you. Okay, so I'm really excited to feature today's channel, another well-deserving channel. So without further ado, ideas times 2. Now this is another channel that is over 1,000, just like Michelle's was last month, but again, another phenomenal channel that, in my opinion, should have, 5,000 plus subscribers, just like Michelle. So this Ideas Times 2 is Betsy and Cindy. They are sisters, and they share this channel and their Etsy shop of the same name. They share that together. They both put tutorials out on the channel, and both put out journals. They are an amazing duo of crafters. So they are currently sitting at 1,910, and so I'm thinking let's at least get them up to 2,200, another very easy goal. So that is what, less than 300. So that should be another super easy goal to reach. Let me tell you a little bit about their channel. It is, like I said, an amazing channel, just like Michelle's channel was or is. I just want to show you an example here, and I know you probably can't read these, but this is more for my benefit than yours. So Betsy and Cindy have their channel laid out with lots of playlists, which to me is very important. I like things to be organized when I go to a channel so I can see what I want to do. So I'm just going to read through some of these really quickly. They have, here's 32 videos on Craft With Me /tutorials. Here's 93 videos on flip throughs. We've got 3 videos here in the binding playlist. We even have some non-journal crafts. We have some haul videos. We have 7 videos in the cover tutorials. We've got basic supplies. Here they have 4 videos in the eco prints and dyeing paper. And I know for a fact the doily paper that I make, that you guys have seen me use in a lot of journals, she has an excellent tutorial on how to do that, and my process is almost identical, a little slightly different. So great tutorial there to watch. We have file folder projects, ephemera folder tutorials, altered composition notebooks, paper marbling, that's a big one, and lapbook tutorials. So lots of videos on here, great content, great quality of content. So that is Ideas Times 2. That is Betsy and Cindy. They do have an Etsy shop under the same name. And so let me show you what I chose to make from their channel. It is an ephemera folio, I believe is what she called it. It is a 3-part series. I watched all 3 parts, but I will link part 1 below in the description box, and that will be the video that I want you to go over there and comment on. So I'll make sure I put the link below. So I'll do a quick little flip through here. We have an elastic closure, okay, and a little flap. And then let's open this up, and we have a little belly band here, and then an envelope. And inside the envelope, we have a little journal. It is plain, Just plain coffee dyed paper, 2 pockets. Okay. And it's sewn with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and then I've put a little wax seal there. Hope my lighting's okay. I'm in a different place than normal. Yeah, it looks all right on my end. Okay, and then here she had a little, like a faux file folder booklet that she made, and hers, I think she just, you know, poked it in. I went ahead and put an elastic in because I thought, well, you could put this in there, or you could even take that little journal out and put the journal in there, and then just tuck this, you know, with the envelope under there. Whatever you want to do, you can move things around. Inside, and I've only lightly, you know, filled it because I want you to fill it on your own, but I've put in some plain tags. Here's some Tim Holtz cards from his new Field Notes kit. Again, more tags. I think this is something that was with the paper pad that I used. We have a vintage playing card here, and I have a coffee dyed receipt paper and plain tag for you to use. And I did not over embellish this, as I wanted you to be able to kind of personalize it yourself. And the idea is that it's more storage than, you know, an actual journal. So here's a little envelope in the back, and I put in some little postcard things. They were part of the paper pad that I used. Okay, double-sided. Okay, so it's a really nice sturdy cardstock that this is all made from. And then here's the back. Okay, and I put these little charms here on the elastic. You can take those off and use them wherever you want to. But okay, so that's the project. I'm going to link the video below. Make sure you go over there, tell her that I sent you over, and you will be entered to win this when Betsy and Cindy reach over 2,200. And I will probably update you on that again in another month. So yeah, I think that's it. Go over and tell them hi and tell them I sent you, and make sure you hit the subscribe button for them, and let's show our support for Betsy and Cindy's channel. Thanks again for joining me. I have some more videos coming out very soon. I'm sorry I've been kind of missing in action, but as most of you know, I was kind of recovering there from a concussion, so I'm a little slow getting back to my normal, but I will be there very soon. Okay, good seeing all of you, and I will speak to you all very soon. Take care. Be well. Bye-bye.